Good morning to all. Welcome to my class. Ramatenki Rajava, lecturer in Electrical and Electronics Engineering, GMR Polytechnic, Utnur. I am going to teach you electrical engineering and electronics devices for DEEE second semester students. Recap. In the previous periods, we have discussed about the following. First one is formulas related to magnetic circuits. Formulas related to magnetic circuits. Next one is problems on simple magnetic circuits. Formulas related to magnetic circuits. Problems on simple magnetic circuits. Objectives. On completion of this period, you would be able to solve. First one is problems on series magnetic circuits. Problems on series magnetic circuits. And second one is problems on simple magnetic circuits. Problems on simple magnetic circuits. Noun to unknown. Steps to solve a series magnetic circuits. Steps to solve a series magnetic circuits. Steps to solve a series magnetic circuits. So in most problems, the solution takes a standard form. In most problems, the solution takes a standard form. In most problems, it is need to calculate ampere turns. It is need to calculate ampere turns. The ampere turns for various parts of the magnetic circuit have to calculate separately. To calculate ampere turns, the following steps are to be followed in general. To calculate ampere turns, the following steps are to be followed in general. So step 1. The main length L and cross-sectional area A of various parts of the magnetic circuit is estimated from the given data and dimensions. So listen carefully. So step 1. The main length L and cross-sectional area A of various parts of the magnetic circuit is estimated from the given data and dimensions. Next one, step 2. The reluctance of the part is calculated using the formula. So step 2, reluctance of the part is calculated using the following formula. So reluctance, it is denoted by letter S. We can write the formula. So L by nu naught nu r A, ampere turns per Webers, ampere turns per Webers, T, ampere turns per Webers. And step 3, the magnetic flux and flux density is found using the following formula. The magnetic flux and flux density is found using the following formula. The flux density denoted by letter B. So flux pi by area A. So units Weber per meter square or Telsa. Step 3. The magnetic flux and flux density is found using the following formula. The flux density B is equal pi by A. Pi is called flux, A is equal area. So Weber per meter square or Telsa. And step 4. The field strength or magnetizing force H can be calculated as follows. The field strength or magnetizing force H can be calculated as follows. The field strength, it is denoted by letter H. So flux density B and S. Flux density by reluctance. So nu naught nu r A. So ampere turn by meters. So B is equal nu naught nu r H. Nu r H. Nu naught nu r H. Therefore, B is equal nu naught nu r H. And step 5, the ampere turns for the part is obtained by multiplying ampere turns by the main length of the flux path. The ampere turns for the part is obtained by multiplying ampere turns by the main length of the flux path. So ampere turns, so Ni is equal H into L. So ampere turns Ni is equal H into L. Next one, step 6. The above procedure is applied to calculate the ampere turns of various parts of the magnetic circuit. The above procedure is applied to calculate the ampere turns of various parts of the magnetic circuit. So step 7, total ampere turns for the complete magnetic circuit can be found by adding algebraically the ampere turns of the various parts of the magnetic circuit in series. Step 7, the total ampere turns for the complete magnetic circuit can be found by adding algebraically the ampere turns of the various parts of the magnetic circuit in series. This is the general procedure for calculating the total ampere turns of the magnetic circuit. There may be slight change in the procedure depending on the given data. There may be slight change in the procedure depending on the given data. So these are 7 steps follow the and depending on the given data. So you can solve the problems. So determination of ampere turns. Steps for determination of ampere turns in a magnetic circuit. So find field strength H in each path of magnetic circuit. Find the length L of various parts of magnetic circuit. Find the length L of various parts of magnetic circuit. Continuation. Next point. Find the number of ampere turns required for the various paths of magnetic circuit using H into L. Next point. Find the total number of ampere turns by adding ampere turns of various paths. Okay. Next. Problems on series magnetic circuits. Problems on series magnetic circuits. So okay, note, write down. First problem, an iron ring of mean length 50 centimeters has an air gap of 1 mm and a winding of 200 turns. If the relative permeability of iron is 300, find the flux density when a current of 1 ampere flows through the coil. Okay, once again repeat. An iron ring of main length 50 centimeters has an air gap of 1 mm and a winding of 200 turns. If the relative permeability of iron is 300, find the flux density when a current of 1 ampere follows through the coil. So this is the series magnetic circuit. This gap is air gap. So main length Li is equal 2 pi r. So main length Li is equal 2 pi r. Okay. Given data. So main length of the iron ring. So Li is equal 50 centimeters and length of the air gap Lg. So 1 mm. So 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So number of turns of winding N is equal to 200 and relative permeability nu r is equal 300. Current flowing through the coil I is equal 1 amperes. So main length of the iron ring. So Li 50 centimeters. Length of the air gap Lg is equal 1 mm. 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Number of turns of winding N is equal to 200. So relative permeability nu r is equal to 300 and current flowing through the coil. So I is equal 1 amperes. So formulas and magnetic circuits. Formulas and magnetic circuits. So flux pi is equal B by A. So now flux pi is equal B by A. So we can write the B is equal pi by A. So flux pi is equal B by A and B is equal pi by A. Next one, flux density B is equal nu naught nu r h. Nu naught nu r h. Now we can write the h is equal B by nu naught nu r. H is equal B by nu naught nu r. And next, field strength. So H is equal F by I. So now F is equal H I. So H is equal field strength F by I. So F is equal H I. F is equal H I. Next, MMF, magnetomotive force or force. So F is equal Ni. So now I is equal F by N. So I is equal F by N. I is equal F by N. These are the magnetic circuits formulas. So problem is continuation. So total ampere turns required is equal ampere turns required for iron ring plus ampere turns required for air gap. So total ampere turns required is equal ampere turns required iron ring plus air gap. So Ni is equal Hi Li plus Hg Lg. So where Hi is equal B by nu naught nu r. So Hg is equal B by nu naught. So Hi is equal B by nu naught nu r. Hg is equal B by nu naught. And steps to solve the problem. So let B is equal flux density through the iron ring and air gap in Weber per meters square. Flux B is flux density through the iron ring and air gap in Weber per meter square. Total ampere turns required. So N into I formula. So N is equal 200. So I is equal 1. So ampere turns is 200. So it required for air gap. So Hg Ig is equal B by nu naught into Lg. Hg Lg is equal B by nu naught into Lg. So it required for iron path Hi Li is equal B by nu naught nu r Li. So ampere turns required B by nu naught Lg plus B by nu naught nu r Li. So total ampere turns is equal to 200. So B by nu naught is common. We can say the common. So Lg plus Li by nu r. So now submit the values. So B by nu naught is equal, so 0.001, 0.5 by 300. So B is equal to 100 into nu naught. So therefore flux density B is equal 0.0942 Tesla or Weber per meter square. Therefore flux density B is equal 0.094 into Tesla or Weber per meter square. Okay, next problem 2. Problems on series magnetic circuits. So second one, a ring has diameter of 21 centimeters and a cross-sectional area of 10 centimeters square. The ring is made of semicircular sections of cast iron and cast steel, with each joint is having an air gap of 0.2 mm. Find the ampere turns required to produce a flux of 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Webers. The relative permeabilities of cast steel and cast iron are 800 and 166 respectively. So this is the series circuit. Cast iron, this is the cast steel. So air gap is 0.2 mm. So length 21 centimeters. So 0.2 mm. This is the cast steel. This is the cast iron. This is the number of turns. This is the air gap. So write the given data. So main diameter of ring, so D is equal 21 centimeters. So centimeters we can convert the meters. So 0.21 meters. So now cross sectional area of ring. So A is equal 10 centimeters square. So now these are centimeters, we can convert the meter square. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters square. And length of the air gap Lg, so 0.2 mm. So this is a millimeter. So 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So first one, main diameter of ring. So D is equal 21 centimeters. So we can convert the 0 meters. So 0.21 meters. Cross sectional area of ring A is equal 10 centimeters square. So 10 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters square. So length of the each air gap Lg 0.2 mm. So 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 m. Now next one is flux produced. Pi is equal 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Webers. 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 Webers. So relative permeability of cast steel. So 800. And the relative permeability of cast iron. So 166. So one is the cast steel 800. So second one is cast iron. So 166 to be found. So total ampere turns required. So total ampere turns required. So HCI so into ICI plus HCS ICS plus 2 into HG IG. So where HCI is equal B by nu naught nu R RCI. So HCS is equal B by nu naught nu RCS. So HC is equal B by nu naught. This is the formulas. Okay, solve the problem. So flux density B is equal pi by A. So this is the phi value. So 8 into 10 to the power of minus 4 area. So 10 to the power of minus 3. So 0.8 Weber per meter square. And air gap. So 8 ampere turns required. So 2G to HG LG. So HG is equal formula B by nu naught. So 0.8 by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. Nu naught value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So HG value is 636.627 into 10 to the power of 3 ampere turns per meters. And next one, at required for air gap to HG LG. Ampere turns, so 2 into, so this is the HG value. So 636.627. This is the LG value. 0.2 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So total ampere turns 255 ampere turns. The cast iron path. Next one is find out cast iron path. So ampere turns required HCI into LCI. So HCI is equal formula B by nu naught RCI. So substitute the value B value and nu naught value and nu RCI value. This is the 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 is the nu naught value. So nu RCI value is equal 166. So B value is equal 0.8. So total value is 3835 ampere turns per meters. So LCI is equal 5D by 2. So D value is 21 into pi by 2. So LCI value is 0.33 meters. 0.33 meters. And ampere turns required HCI into LCI. So HCI value is 3835 into LCI value. So we can find out now. So 0.33. So total ampere turns is 1265 ampere turns. 1265 ampere turns. So next one, cast steel path. So ampere turns required HCS ICS. So HCS is formula B by nu naught nu RCS. So this value is B is equal 0.8 and 4 pi into 10 to the power minus 7 is nu naught value. Nu RC value is 800. So total HCS value is 795.774 ampere turns meters. So ICS 5 by D, this is the formula. So 5 value is same as, right? So D value is 21. So 0.33 meters. So ampere turns required HCS ICS. So 795.77 is HCS, ICS 0.33. So total ampere turns is 263 ampere turns. And total ampere turns required is equal ampere turns required for cast iron path, ampere turns required for cast steel path plus ampere turns required for 2 air gaps. Total ampere turns required is equal ampere turns required for cast iron path plus ampere turns required for cast steel path plus ampere turns required for 2 air gaps is equal 1265 plus 263. 1265 plus 263 plus 255 is equal 783 ampere turns. So total ampere turns required 1265 plus 263 plus 255 is equal 1783 ampere turns required. Noun to unknown. Formulas related to magnetic circuits. How to solve problems on series magnetic circuits. First one is formulas related to magnetic circuits. And next one is how to solve problems on series magnetic circuits. And next problem, write down. A mild steel ring of 30 centimeters, mean circumference as a cross-sectional area of 6 centimeters square, and has a winding of 500 turns on it. The ring is cut through at a point so as to provide an air gap of 1 mm. In the magnetic circuit, it is found that a current of 4 amperes in the winding produces a flux density of 1 Tesla. In the air gap, find the relative permeability of the mild steel and real inductance of the winding. So main circumference, so L is equal 30 centimeters. So converted in meters, centimeters, so 30 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. And cross sectional area A is equal 6 centimeters square. So 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters square. Number of turns of winding, so N is equal 500. So next one, length of the air gap. So LG is equal 1 mm. So 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. And next one, current flowing through the winding. I is equal 4 amperes. The flux density B is equal 1 Tesla. The flux density B is equal 1 Tesla. Parameters to be found. So relative permeability of the mild steel ring nu R and inductance of the winding L. Inductance of the winding L. So next one, formulas to be used. So HI is equal B by nu naught nu R, and next one MMF is equal H into L is equal Ni, and Hg is equal, so B by nu naught, Hg is equal B by nu naught. Okay, now find out, first one is L. So L is equal Nf by I. So pi is equal B by A. Pi is equal B by A. So N into B by A by I. So total MMF is equal, so HILI plus HGLG is equal Ni. So you can find out the Li. So 30 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. So the total Li value is 29.9 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. 29.9 into 10 to the power minus 2 meters. So steps to solve. Mild steel ring. First one is, so HI is equal B by nu naught nu R. So 1 by B is equal to 1. So nu naught value is B is equal to 1. Nu naught value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So ampere turns per meters. So 0.795 into 10 to the power of 7 by nu R ampere turns per meters. So we can, next one, MMF is equal HILI. So 0.795 into 10 to the power of 7 by nu R into Li value 29.9 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So MMF is equal, HILI is equal, so 0.2379 into 10 to the power of 6 by nu R. So the air gap Hg is equal B by nu naught 1 by 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So is equal 0.7957 into 10 to the power of 6 ampere turns per meters. The MMF required HGLG is equal 0.7957 into 10 to the power of 6 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 3. The MMF required HGLG is equal 795.7 ampere tons. 795.7 ampere tons. The total MMF HILI plus HGLG. So this is the value, HILI value, this is the HGLG value. So 0.2379 into 10 to the power of 6 by nu R plus 795.7. This is the Hg and Lg. So total MMF available Ni is equal, so N is equal 500, so I is equal 4. So total MMF available in 2000 ampere tons. So next, therefore 2000 is the current. So 0.2379 into 10 to the power of 6 by nu r plus 795.7. This is the nu r value 197.5. Substitute inductance of the winding. So Ni by here is nu r is equal 0.2379 into 10 to the power of 6 by 2000 plus 795.7. So this is the answer 197.5. So the inductance of the winding N pi by I. So pi is equal B or A. B by R, B into A. So N is equal 500. So B is equal 1, A is equal 6 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So I is equal 4. So total. So inductance of the winding L is equal. So 0.075 H. 0.075 H. This is the inductance. L is equal. So next problem 2. An iron ring has cross section of 3 cm square and mean circumference of 25 centimeters and air gap of 0.4 mm has been cut across the section of the ring. The ring is wound with a coil of 200 tons through which a current of 2 amperes is passed. If the total magnetic flux is 0.24 milliweber per meters, milliwebers, sorry, not meters, find the relative permeability of iron, assuming no magnetic leakage. Okay, given data. So sectional area of iron ring. So A is equal 3 centimeters square. So we can convert the meters. So 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Next one, main circumference 25 centimeters. So 25 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meters. So length of the air gap LG. So 0.4 mm. So these are so converted. So 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters. So next one, number of turns of coil. So N is equal to 200 turns. So the current through the coil I is equal to 2 amperes. Total magnetic flux pi is equal 0.24 milliwebers. So 0.24 into 10 to the power of minus 3 webers. 0.24 into 10 to the power of minus 3 webers. Next steps to solve. Next one, flux density B is equal pi by A. This is the phi value. 0.24 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is the A value. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 4. So answer is 0.8 Weber per meter square. At for iron ring, H is into I is equal B by nu naught nu r into L. At for iron ring, so B is equal 0.8. So nu naught value is 4 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. So nu r and I value is, sorry, L value is 0.25. So 1.59 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by nu r. ampere turns for air gap H into Lg is equal B by nu naught into Lg. So B value, nu naught value. This is the Lg value, 0.4 into 10 to the power of minus 3. This is the ampere turns, 255. And total ampere turns required, so 1.59 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by nu r plus 255. The total ampere turns provided Ni. So N is equal to 200. So I is equal to, so total 400 ampere turns. So ampere turns 1.59 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by nu r plus 255 is equal 400. So 1.59 into 10 to the power of minus 5 by 400 plus 255 is equal, nu r is equal 1096. It is the relative permeability. The relative permeability nu r is equal 1096. So summary, we discussed the following concepts. Formulas relate to solve simple magnetic circuit, and next one, problems on series magnetic circuits and problems on simple magnetic circuits. Next one, frequently asked questions in examination. Explain about composite magnetic circuit. First one is explain about composite magnetic circuit. Second one is explain the steps for determination of ampere turns for magnetic circuit. Explain the steps for determination of ampere turns for magnetic circuit. So write the assignment. So question 1. A coil of 500 turns and resistance 20 ohms is wound uniformly on an iron ring of main circumference 50 centimeters and cross-sectional area 4 centimeters square. It is connected to 24 volts DC supply. Under these conditions, the relative permeability of iron is 800. Calculate the values. So N is equal 500. N is equal 500. So R is equal 20 ohms. And A is equal 4 centimeters square. We can convert the 0.4 meter square. And V is equal 24 volts. And nu R, permeability nu R is equal 800. Okay, we can solve the first one is MMF. Second one is the magnetizing force. Third one is the total flux. Fourth one is the reluctance of the ring. These are 4. Find out. I hope all of you understand my class. Okay. Thank you one and all.